Introducing the Bio Naturals masala range. It's made from pure and organic ground spices. Today we're going to be making sambar. So, naturally, I will use the Bio Naturals sambar masala. To make sambar, a lot of ingredients are required, such as tomatoes, doodh dal. We start by putting the oil, then some chana dal, then some rye, hing, saute it, add some red chili, haldi, onions, tomatoes, curry patta, green chilies, some coriander, pressure cooked tur dal. And I mean bio natural sambar masala made from hand ground spices. Look at that fine powder, and the aroma was so good. Just one big spoon of it and your sambar will be tasty. Can't wait to eat it. So good. Get your hands on this product now.